Hi, this is Chuck Riso from Relax Honda. We're going to show you today how to set all of your doors to unlock when you put the car into park. The factory setting is to have just one door unlock, which you can keep it that way for security, but for convenience you may want all the doors to unlock, and we're going to show you how to do that.
Okay, here's how you do it. Turn the ignition key to the on position, which is the second click, and press and hold the rear of the door lock switch for 3 clicks, or about 10 seconds. That's number 2. Number 3, and then turn the car off. Now all of your doors will unlock when you put it into park.